Using 2 people, place the bed base box in its desired location. Remove the binding straps and packing materials, making sure not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Remove the bed base from the carton and unfold the bed, making sure to keep the bottom side facing up. Remove the items that were fastened to the base during shipping and set them aside. Make sure that all items are accounted for. The legs are shipped fully assembled. You may customize the leg height by removing leg segments. To install the legs, thread the leg into the frame and tighten by hand. Be careful not to over-tighten. Locate the power cord and plug it into the power supply. Then uncoil the input cord connected to the control box's power port and plug it into the power supply. Using 2 people, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Do not drag across the floor or rest the frame on its side. Install the mattress retainer bar by inserting the ends into the holes at the foot of the platform. Remove the remote from its packaging and install the remote batteries. Plug the power cord into a working power source. A surge protector is strongly recommended. The original remote that comes in the box is already paired to the adjustable base. In the event that the remote is not paired, press and hold the pair button on the back of the remote within 10 seconds of powering on the adjustable base. Check to ensure the remote control functions are working properly before placing the mattress onto the base. See the owner's manual for additional information or call customer service at 1-888-550-3746.